It's clear? And static friction coefficient is equal to 0.6. Okay? And kinetic friction mu k is equal to 0.4. Understand? Okay. Component of this force F equal to 100 Newton. Horizontal component and vertical component is necessary. The horizontal component is 100 cos 37 and vertical component is 100 sin 37. So 100 cos 37 is equal to 80 Newton. Yes or no? And 100 sin 37 is equal to 60 Newton. And total weight is 100 Newton downward direction. And normal is act in upper direction by the ground surface. Is clear? Listen, the value of normal force, 100 Newton downward, 60 Newton upward, totally 40 Newton downward. The normal is equal to 40 Newton. Yes sir? ये 40 न्यूटन आपका फोर्स है, नॉर्मल फोर्स. कौन सा फोर्स है? नॉर्मल फोर्स इज रिप्रेजेंट टू नॉर्मल फोर्स. अब दिस नॉर्मल फोर्स इज एप्लीकेबल स्टैटिक मैक्सिमम फ्रिक्शन. मैक्सिमम स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन F as maximum is equal to mu s mg. Mu s mg कितना? 100. mg's value is 100. mu s value is 0.6. सॉरी नॉर्मल, यहाँ पे अपन नॉर्मल एप्लाई करेंगे. दिस वैल्यू इज नॉर्मल, तो म्यू एस डाटा इज 0.6 एंड नॉर्मल डाटा इज 40 न्यूटन. यस या नो? एंड द फोर्स ऑफ स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन मैक्सिमम इज इक्वल टू 24 न्यूटन. कितना? 24. दिस डाटा इज 24 न्यूटन ऑफ स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. एंड फोर्स एक्ट इन दिस डायरेक्शन 80 न्यूटन. And static friction maximum force is applicable 24 Newton. This is the very weak and this is the higher value. So is clearly that rope is moving condition. In this moving condition, rope moving condition, and rope moving condition applicable static, not applicable static friction, applicable kinetic friction. And the data of kinetic friction is equal to mu k and normal of n. So data of mu k is equal to 0.4 and data of n equal to 40. And this value is 60 Newton. Yes or no? Okay. And 60 Newton is applicable of kinetic friction in this direction. Then rope is moving condition. Okay. The data of acceleration is equal to data of acceleration act force 80, resist force as a kinetic friction force 60, and mass of the body 10, and the acceleration is equal to 4, 6 upon 10, 6.4 meter per second square. This is the acceleration value. And rope is moving direction, forward direction. And then this acceleration value 6.4. When force 100 Newton and the angle